Hey, Rayne, how you doing? Okay, um, okay. Oh, here we are. All right. So, looking for some written summary here, but that's included in your PDF. So let's go ahead and jump right over to the PDF. I do see that in the PDF, as far as your writing goes, you've described the intent behind the sketches, but you haven't really given a summary. Let me show you what I mean. Right here in your proposal, prepare a short proposed explanation of each design. But that's great, you did that. But begin by giving us a short explanation of why you chose the novel you'll be redesigning, and then explain. So just give us the reasoning behind why you chose this novel. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump to the sketches. I've got you up right here. Now, one thing I noticed in the sketches is that you're depicting reality here. And I shouldn't say reality. You're depicting very much the characters in the story, and you're kind of showing these action scenes. And I think the essence of this assignment, and as we jump into week 5, we look at, okay, so you've got your setup, you've got your sketches. This allows you to develop your ideas. But when we jump into week 5, we see this. As you gather images for the project, please stay away from images that were used in live action remake. So you can't go out and find images of the whale from the movie or the main character, the protagonist. I'm sorry, the protagonist or the antagonist. You can't use images that were created in a film, right? So that kind of points to me as trying to make these connections. So you have this kind of battle going on between the whale and the sailor, right? So or the fisherman. So we take the inherent characteristics of this battle and we try to develop those conceptually. So we're developing an idea and not necessarily just a scene of the relationship of the sailor and the whale. Do you see what I'm saying? So if you dig deeper and find these conceptual ties, then you can represent those conceptual ties, pushing the concept, pushing the development of this cover much, much deeper than just showing these actual scenes that could occur or have occurred in the book. Does that make sense? It's a really, really important concept for this, and one that I think works well in developing your conceptual approach to design projects based on concept, and how to represent that concept without just showing a story. So my example is this: as a graphic designer, you're asked to represent a fire, right? So what do? Can you draw, just do you draw a fire, or do you represent it maybe with a red triangle? Do you see what I'm saying? And that's what I'm getting at. I'm getting at kind of developing this shorthand visual language for which you can express content without showing content, without showing the actual scene. Okay, and I think that's critical, and that would be my recommendation in terms of moving forward with this project. So if you have any questions in that regard, please let me know. I think it's really, really important. And also, don't forget to include that brief written summary of why you chose Moby Dick. Okay? All right, Rayne, great. Thank you so much. And again, please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.